Hey everybody! Today we're taking a look at how the artist Paul Klee used unity and variety in his artwork. Unity and variety help to create interest in an artwork. Looking at these examples, we can have the same shape but different colors. Or we might have the same colors and shape but different sizes. Or it might be the same color and different shapes. Or it could even be texture. Today we're going to be creating an artwork similar to Paul Klee's, and we're going to be using a technique called printmaking. I've created a video demonstration for you on how I made my artwork. You can watch the video and then create your own. All right, let's have a look. First, let's cut a variety of shapes from cardboard. We can cut some big and small shapes of circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. Now let's use our variety of shapes to stamp with different colors on our paper. Continue this process until you've created your building or castle. All right, now that you've seen how I created my artwork, you can create your own. Collect your materials and then get started. Have fun and be creative.